Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. This is 97th video in our PTC Creo Parametric series, and in this video we will see how to create a curve from Datum using style tool in PTC Creo. And as always, the full playlist of this Creo series is linked in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out if you are following along. Now coming back to the topic, which is curve from Datum. And you can already see I am in PTC Creo Parametric part modeling environment, and in part modeling we are inside PTC Creo style tool. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on curve from Datum, and now here you can see the tool is activated. Now what we need to do here is we need to select the reference geometry. Okay, and actually the name of this tool is slightly confusing, which says that curve from Datum. And a lot of us also think of, oh, it is related to datum plane, but you can see I am not able to select any datum plane. And so here, if you see on bottom, there is no datum plane selection filter also available. This means that in this particular case, Creo is referring to other datum features, for example, reference geometry. So in this particular case, what we can do is we can either select curve, edge, or scan curve. So let me select edge here, and as soon as we selected edge, here you can see we have created this curve. Now all we need to do is we need to click on OK, and that's how, guys, we have created curve from Datum. Now here we can go to edit definition and can make necessary adjustments. So that's all, guys, from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam, where we help you to elevate your engineering skills in multiple engineering topics. And I will see you soon in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.